we're going to be going over how to clean the lint trap for your dryer. As you can see, mine is really caked up and really gross. All I use to clean mine is just regular water and break out the handy dandy cleaning toothbrush. Just works really well for getting in all the little grooves and everything that happens in here. It's really important to clear this out. Obviously this is a fire hazard. It can also prevent your dryer from working properly, and it can actually burn out the heating unit in your dryer a lot faster because your dryer has to work harder because it's all gunked up. So all we're going to do is turn on this water and just go in here. I'm going to start on the outside. Just nothing but water in this cleaning toothbrush. We're just going to scrub, and this is really just what I'm going to do the entire time. Going in, making sure that I'm getting all the lint off, picking off the big pieces. Once you have this cleaned out, you can see through it, everything looks good. You're going to want to leave this out to dry. Don't put it back in the dryer if it's still wet. Give it enough time to let it completely dry. That way you're preventing mold growth and bacteria and things to grow, because that's what will happen if you put it back in there before it's completely dry. I don't use soap on it. I've never had a reason to use soap. The water tends to work just as well for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course I will see you guys in my next video.